you're going to create a task with the Grok AI, and it's going to remind you on your mobile phone or through your email. Yeah, it's very much simple. If you are new here, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. So now let's start. So what we need to do is tap on the hamburger menu here. Good, and you can see task there. Let's select that. Good, and now all we need to do is tap on the plus button there to create a new one. Good, so let's make it video making. Yeah, and then the frequency should be daily, and the time, let's say I'll go to work, so when I'm back like 6 p.m. every blessed day, I'll start to make a video. And you can add a prompt, something like that, yeah, if you want to. And you see push notifications and email notifications. So push notifications are going to appear here. When the time is due, you're going to see it here. And then email notifications is the email that you signed in with Grok. Yeah, it's going to appear there too as well. So you're going to get an email notification sent to that side too as well. So now you tap on the save to save it. Prompts cannot be empty, so you should add something. I forgot. So let me just add a hi, and now let me try saving it. So that's it on how you create tasks and then get yourself reminded by the Grok AI app. If you are new here, just give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Peace.